There's a reason why tactical military gear items are so popular around the world. Their sheer performance and best-in-class quality make them perfect, even for life and death situations. And as brands like 511 and Condor work hard to bring out the best of such gear items, we get left out with many options to choose from. So to minimize that confusing hassle, here's our video on 11 incredible military tactical gear and gadgets. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting today's list with the second version of the Flight Glove from Magpul. With some capable upgrades from its predecessor, the Flight Glove 2.0 can be that go-to protective glove for not only military aviators, but other users as well. Having a fantastic combination of Nomex and Kevlar in its build, these gloves provide flash resistance, flame and anti-static protection, resulting in more responsive feedback during an operation. But that didn't just stop there, as its goatskin leather palm and fingers combined to deliver a proper tactile feel to control firearms and other equipment. This is the Vanquish LT from Condor, a well-capable ballistic protection for those tactical operations. The Vanquish LT comes in a low-profile minimalistic design which doesn't make it bulky to wear on any type of mission. Made out of higher quality materials, this one can perfectly hold those ballistic plates quite nicely, while its VA6 mag compatibility makes it even better for a wide range of operations. So proper protection and concealment, everything comes along with this Condor Vanquish LT. One may have all the firearms and all in a tactical situation, but the Medford Knives USMC Raider is something everyone will appreciate by their side. Skillfully crafted with CPM S35VN steel, this knife is capable enough to do some really heavy tasks. I mean, anyone can just look at its Bowie-style blade with a 6-inch long plain cutting edge and tell how aggressive it can be during a tactical situation, right? Handle of this knife is another point to appreciate, providing an exceptionally firm grasp with an oversized hilt. Here we have the Patrol Jacket AR from Arc'teryx Leaf, a versatile one to ease up your tactical operation. This general-purpose soft-shell jacket is well suited for any law enforcement or military personnel with some simple but effective features. Crafted with a 4-way stretchable Everest 275 GSM fabric, this jacket provides proper freedom of movement, which is a must for tactical scenarios. But that isn't everything, as its DWR coating ensures its practical operation in adverse weather conditions as well. 2 zipper hand pockets are included to carry crucial items one needs during such demanding situations. A tactical jacket is alright, but proper tactical pants like this Condor Paladin aren't something one can just forget. If we talk about materials, these pants don't only feature polycotton, but also have strategically placed 4-way stretch nylon panels. As a result, users' freedom of movement is assured with this one as well. Additionally, unlike many others in this category, Paladin pants feature vent pockets throughout their design. As a result, breathability with these pants isn't something you have to be worried about. Reinforced kneecap, built-in knee pad pockets, and other protective features are also ensured with these Condor Paladin pants. Nighttime tactical missions can be quite troublesome, but at least having the Charge Pro MPLS Lite can mitigate that to a minimum. This personal illumination device from Princeton Tec is modular, and for a good reason. Mounting this light isn't something anyone has to worry about, as it features the most common rail mount system. Flexibility of this tactical flashlight is another thing everyone has to appreciate. 55 lumens of bright performance can light up any dark situation, while its CR123 lithium battery ensures a prolonged runtime. Okay, the Flight Gloves and Vanquish LT may protect your hands and yourself, but the Stinger Alpine Ballistic is going to protect your vision from anything surprising. Featuring a unique memory nylon construction and a 110-degree hinge system, Alpine is built to endure even the worst possible outcomes. But what about its lenses? Well, those lenses are made from shatterproof polycarbonate, which lets anyone rest assured of the durability. But what else makes these lenses more practical is Stinger's patented Razor lens technology, providing a better and more vivid color amplification. As a result, users will have better color contrast and improvised depth perception, leading to better target acquisition. These Achilles XTR boots from Pentagon are here to keep your feet happy in such demanding scenarios. Now, unlike most other tactical boots, these Achilles doesn't feel cumbersome on your feet, but that doesn't mean it lacks the protection one needs in a tactical operation. Built with nylon mesh fabric, these boots are ultra durable to endure the roughest rigors and won't compromise breathability. Furthermore, by incorporating higher density leather, these boots look more sophisticated, while its EVA midsole will ensure proper comfort. And lastly, their outer rubber soles are capable enough to dampen socks pretty nicely. Next on our list, we have the OpsCore SOTR, a protective gas mask to keep users safe from harmful elements on a tactical mission. This low-profile respirator comes with 99.97% filtration efficiency. As a result, it can effectively resist harmful airborne particles like lead, asbestos, and explosive gunfire. A quick and simple one-handed filter change can keep its user well adopted, according to any fast-paced tactical scenario. We understand there are a lot of essentials one has to carry on those operations. So here's the Pentagon Epos, a strong and capable backpack to carry all those items in a more organized way. 100% nylon construction of this backpack infused with nylon bonded thread, ensuring its ultra-durable performance, regardless of any rough situations. Then comes its vast interior pocket to keep the essentials safe, and YKK zippers for a smooth and quick closure. Finally, the addition of mole panels makes this one more versatile. Finally, we have this AGM NVG-40 3APW Gen 3, a practical night vision binocular for your tactical operations. These NV binoculars have a third-generation auto-gated 3APW image intensifier, which produces some incredibly sharp image feedback. At the same time, its manually adjustable focus can cover from a close range to almost infinity. In addition, a weight of slightly more than a pound makes it more portable, and obviously a great battery that powers it up throughout the entire operation. So that was our list of 11 incredible military tactical gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.